how to turn on maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here scroll down and click on, you will see maintenance mode is here, so click on maintenance mode. So if you want to turn on maintenance mode, so click on turn on. So after click on turn on and click on restart. So after click on restart, you will see maintenance mode is turn on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.